If you want to uninstall Photoshop in Creative Cloud on Windows 11, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. I'll show you exactly where to find Photoshop inside the Adobe Creative Cloud app, how to start the uninstall process, and what to choose when Windows asks whether you want to remove or keep your settings. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy software tutorials. First, open the Windows 11 Start menu, type Creative Cloud, and press Enter to launch the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log in with the Adobe account that manages your subscription. This is important because the uninstall options will only appear correctly when you're using the right account profile. Once Creative Cloud opens, look at the left sidebar and click on the Apps tab. Then, at the top of the Apps section, choose All Apps. This will show you the full list of Adobe applications connected to your account and installed on your computer. Now scroll through the list until you find Adobe Photoshop. When you see Photoshop, move your mouse over to the right side of that line. You'll notice a More Actions button, usually shown as 3 dots. Click that menu, and from the options that appear, select Uninstall. This is the step that starts the removal process. A pop-up window will appear asking how you want to handle your local settings and preferences. You'll usually see 2 choices, remove or keep. If you choose remove, Photoshop will uninstall along with your custom brush assets, workspace layouts, plugin settings, and history preferences. This is the best option if Photoshop is acting buggy, corrupted, or glitching and you want a completely fresh reinstall later. If you choose keep, Adobe will retain your personal settings files on your computer. That can be useful if you plan to reinstall Photoshop later and want your preferences restored more easily. Think about which option works best for your situation before you continue. After you make your selection, Creative Cloud will begin the uninstall process automatically. You may see a progress bar or percentage indicator while the app removes Photoshop from Windows 11 and cleans up the related files. Just wait for it to finish. Once the process is complete, Photoshop should disappear from your active apps list inside Creative Cloud. At this point, Photoshop has been successfully uninstalled from your Windows 11 computer through Creative Cloud. If you need to reinstall it later, you can always come back to the same app section and download it again from your Adobe account. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.